loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It is your girl chanellenovosey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tablescape for Valentine's Day. So here's a full list of what you'll need for today's DIY. So I found these love vases at the Dollar Tree and I felt like they were perfect for a table setting for Valentine's Day. I'm also going to be using a glass candlestick holder from the Dollar Tree, and you'll be needing some sort of adhesive. I'm going to be using the Goop, but you can also use E6000. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to take my candlestick holder and I'm going to add some Goop or some E6000 around the top of it. Next, I'll remove my sticker from the bottom of my vase. Next, take your vase and you're going to place it right on top of the E6000 on the candlestick holder. And we're only going to do that to one of our vases. The other two are going to be shorter vases. Next, I'm going to take some red bling wrap that I got from Michael's. It's $1.50, and I'm going to wrap it around the top of each of my vases. So here's what it will look like once you went ahead and you added your bling wrap all the way around the top. And do the same to your other two vases. Next, you'll take some red roses and you're going to cut these down about 1 inch from the stem, and I'm going to add them to the bucket here. I already cut off 5 of the bouquets. So next I'm going to take 4 floral foam blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take these out of the wrapper, and I'm going to be using these wooden dowels, and I'm going to stick it in the inside so they can all connect. I'll show you. So you'll take your wooden dowels and you're going to place it in the center of your floral foam block. You're just going to place this halfway through, and then we're going to take some hot glue and add the second one right on top. And you're going to repeat that same step on the next two. So next I'm going to take my red roses and I'm going to add them all the way around my styrofoam block. And I'll keep in mind that I don't need any on the ends as well as on the center. So lastly, I'm going to take some hot glue and add it to the bottom of my vases and add it right to the styrofoam. So here are some suggestions on what you can do next. You can either fill these up with water and place floating candles on the inside of them, or you can put pillar candles on the inside of them as well. You can also put rose petals in the inside of these and place water in it and have it come up to the top of the vase, which will be very romantic and beautiful. And then place your floating candle right on top of that. But this is the finished product and this is what it will look like. What this can be used for is either a sweetheart table. You can do a tablescape for Valentine's Day. If you are a school teacher, this is an awesome project for a school dance. Also, you can use this for a birthday, anniversary, or even for your Valentine's dinner date. It will be beautiful to set the table and to set the mood. I hope this has helped you out. A full list of what we used in today's DIY will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in Wednesday's DIY. Have a blessed day. Bye.